The eccentric design increases the moment arm length and increases the cutting force. The widened handle and ergonomic design make the grip more comfortable. Larger contact surface for more comfortable use. The pliers can cut paper, steel wire, aluminum rivets, steel nails, steel cables, and precision screwdriver bits. It has more functions: gripping, deburring, loosening nuts, pulling wires, and removing damaged screws. Workpro higher efficiency pliers. Choose the tool that works for you.